Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how manage your Google passwords on your OnePlus Ace 5. Starts off opening your Google Chrome application and choose three dots on the right corner and tap on settings. And Google Password Manager, and there we have password which our website from which our device remember passwords. We can click that to set it. To manage it, enter our look screen to get connected to that, and now we can copy our username and password using this first icon, or after we press on our eyes icon, our smartphone show us password which remember. We can also show this password to someone by this icon, or we can edit all by tap on edit and write something new in our passwords and note. When you change something, remember to press save. And we can also delete password from our device by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.